As you can see, today's lesson is on ratio, simplest form, equivalent, and ratio to fraction. So these are your three easiest ones. So let's have a look at the first one first. So simplest form. So you could have a ratio of 4 to 8 to 12. And they ask you to put that in its simplest form. So first of all, think about your thinking number. What number will go into 4, 8 and 12? Now, the same as fractions, we can start from the lowest or we can go from the highest. I'm going to do the lowest, so I'm going to say 2. 2 will go into 4, 2 will go into 8 and 2 will go into 12. How many 2's in 4? Well, there's 2. How many 2's in 8? Well, there's 4. And how many 2's in 12? Well, there's 6. Now, 2, 4, 6. 2's again. My thinking number is 2. How many 2's in 2? 1. How many 2's in 4? 2. How many 2's in 6? 3. I can't go any lower than that now. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now, some of you would have recognised that actually 4, 8, 12. Remember 4, 8, 12. That actually 4, 8 and 12. Your thinking number could be 4. And you could go straight to that. It really makes no difference how you get there, as long as you get there. So 4's into 4, go 1. 4's into 8, go 2. And 4 into 12 goes 3. So we got there a bit quicker. Okay, so that is simplest form. What the exam tends to do is give you one like 14 and 63. Now, straight away, no number, sorry, not no number, 2's won't go into it, 3's won't, 4's won't, 5's won't, 6's won't, 7's will. Okay, so you do need to know your times table. Imperative that you get to know your times tables by heart. Okay, 7 into 14 go 2, and 7's into 63 go 9, and that is in its simplest form. Okay, right, the next one is equivalent, which is very much the same. This is equivalent to this. Okay, the exam might, let's just hide that for a minute. Let's just do an equivalent fraction. The exam might say 5 to 4. Which ones are equivalent? A, 10 to 8. That is equivalent. Because what's happened is, from 10 to 5, we've times by 2. And from 8 to 4, we've also times by 2. So the common factor there, the multiple, is the same. If we had something like B, let's go 5 to 4 again, and we had the answer B, and it said 10 to 5, that is times by 2, but that's not. Okay, so the factors are not the same. These are not the same, so therefore that is not equivalent. So very, very similar to simplifying or expanding, because you can expand a ratio. Okay, so for example, showing you, let's just get rid of that. showing you equivalent fractions 10, 8, 20, 16. They're all derived from that 30. Oh, would that be? Yeah. Right, let's change that. Let's times it by 5, 50 and 20. So they all derive from that. Okay, so that's equivalent fractions. And our next one is even easier, ratio to fraction. I love this because it's so easy. So easy. So the question might be, there are 20 students in a class in the ratio of, I don't know, 3 to 2 boys, girls. What fraction are girls? Question. So easy. As you can remember in previous videos, fraction facts, this is your whole, and this is your part. Okay, that's all you need to remember on this one. So what's our whole? What's our whole? Well, our whole is 20. 20 students. I'm going to have to change that fraction, so let's change that. Sorry, wasn't thinking that at all. Let's do 14 to 6. So our whole is 20. And what's it asking for? The girls. Well, boys relates to that first one because it's first, and girls relate to that one. So 620. Nice and easy. We can do boys. This is girls. And boys, it's going to be 40 the part and 20 as the whole. Nice and easy. Lovely jubbly. Fraction facts. If you remember that, you'll be fine. So let's have a look at another one. Lovely. It might just give you a load. It might just go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place each one as a fraction. Okay, so fraction facts. I mean, I always keep writing these out. And eventually, you'll remember them off by heart. So the whole is the bottom. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1 is 10. Hold on, that's the whole for every single one. So 10, 10, and 10. And what's the part? Well, this is one part, second part, third part, and fourth part. Done and dusted. There we go. Done and dusted. So as you can see, simplest form, equivalent, ratio to fraction, quite easy. So here's some questions on them. We've got 1, 2, 3, that should say 4, 4, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, simplest, equivalent, simplest or equivalent and equivalent. Again, answer these on ClickView. Nice and easy. Just remember, times table is very, very good to learn. It goes in everything that we do. So try your very best to do that. Okay? Okay, take care. Bye.